Okay, girls, now we're going to watch another video here.
Another really common and important
Teacher, no video.
I'm going to, yes.
place to see similarity is and proportions is when we are trying to figure out a distance using a map, because usually the maps are done in a particular ratio. Let's take a look at an example. So the scale of this particular map, so here we have a map, you can see California, and we've got Balboa Stadium, and we've got Marina Park. And so what are we told? We're told that the scale of this map of downtown San Diego is 2.5 centimeters to 850 meters. And our mission is to find the distance between Marina Park and Balboa Stadium. Okay, so let's take a look at this and see if we can figure this out just looking at this map. All right, well, what we want to do is we want to measure the distance from this point to that point on the map in centimeters. So we take out a ruler and we measure, and what do we see? What we see here is, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're about 7 centimeters away on the map. How do we convert that? Well, I use this conversion. And so what I say is 850 is to 2.5 as our actual distance, which I don't know, I'll call that x, is to what we just measured, 7. So let's just take a look at this and see how I set this up. So here is the meters to centimeters. As meters, we don't know what it is, but centimeters we know to be 7. So now the question is, what's x? Well, now we can solve this proportion by taking the cross product. So we take the cross product. What I see here is 2.5x equals, well, 7 times 850, 5,950. Now if I divide both sides by 2.5 to get x alone, I see that I'm at 2,380. And what are my units? Well, now these are the actual units. These are in meters. And so just looking at this map and knowing the appropriate scale, I'm able to actually produce a distance, which is pretty cool and useful. So you can see our work here is actually going to be used and has been used a lot. That's pretty neat.
Okay, girls, so as you know that the maps are so important in our life, so you have to know how to use it and how to use the scale and how to apply it and how to find it. So you can also do an extra exercise to measure the distance between, for example, Dallas Public Library and City Hall, and also the Dallas Public Library and El Centro College. So it is so easy and it is so interesting and different than the other stuff that we learned before. So any questions, girls? Okay, see you tomorrow, girls, and don't forget to answer the homework. Tomorrow you have homework. We're going to continue the other section tomorrow. Okay, see you. Bye.